I'm afraid of everyone around me, feeling like a doctor might impound me, and it makes me sad that the people who I meant to trust have betrayed me again. Now I'm afraid, and I'm mad. Yeah, I'm mad, it's your fault I'm sad. It's when the wind had come and blown you and it left me all alone. Yeah, I'm mad, so I lost what I had. Yeah, that spark inside my eyes went with you to go and die. Now I'm afraid that I feel betrayed by you and by the cops. When I was sad they locked me up. Now I'm afraid of a shade of beige, 'cause I couldn't see my family and it turned into calamity. It's unfair that I got shoved when I needed to be loved. Doctor, doctor, why'd you do it? I said, up and you said, screw it, let's just throw him far away. And I know that it's cliche to say it should've gone that way, but it still isn't okay. Supposed to trust all these dramas stick like rocks. Am I angry or just sad that I lost what made me glad? I'm afraid to ask for aid, 'cause my trust in this world framed. I could get betrayed, and now I'm mad 'cause I'm afraid.